What up, YouTube? Just got done changing the air filter on a 2017 Corvette. As you can see, got it back together almost. Got to go back through and put everything back together. Also, too, that's not the biggest thing I was looking at. I was looking at the cabin filter right in here in this area. So, easy job. Just pop these up like that. Pop that down. Move it out of the way. Pull out the cabin filter like this. This is the easiest thing I've done on this thing since I've been working on it. I'm doing a maintenance update on it. And believe it or not, it don't actually look that bad. So, it just slides in that little slot right there. And that's the location up under the hood on the passenger side front. So, if you have any issues, questions, comments about that, like, share, subscribe, and comment. And make sure you check out that affiliate store. If you broke it, I can fix it. Peace.